I, Dr. Namita Mishra, Faculty of Management from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, going to deliver a lecture on cost sheet and its method of preparation. As you know, total cost comprises of prime cost, work cost and cost of production. Now, we will learn step followed for computing total cost and method of preparation of cost sheet. Now, I am going to discuss one by one each and every step of preparation of the cost sheet. Step 1. First of all, we will calculate the prime cost. Prime cost equal to direct material plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Then in second step, we will calculate the work cost. The calculated prime cost is already there. So, in the prime cost, you will add factory overheads or the indirect expenses that is incurred in the factory. Then next step, that is cost of production. The cost of production equal to work cost plus office and administrative expenses. Then step 4, that is total cost. Total cost equal to cost of production plus selling and distribution expenses. Then we will calculate profit. As you know, the cost sheet is prepared to know the total cost incurred and the cost per unit incurred in a production and the profit that is earned from each unit of product. So, profit equal to sales minus total cost of product. The above method can better be presented with the help of the following format of the cost sheet. So, as for the format, I am going to discuss one by one. So, first of all, the prime cost is comprises of direct material, direct wages and direct expenses. Alternatively, the prime cost is the cost of material consumed and productive wages that is incurred and the direct expenses that is incurred during the production process. Then factory cost. Factory cost or the work cost or manufacturing cost or the production cost includes, in addition to the prime cost, the cost in direct material, indirect labor and indirect expenses. It also includes amount or unit of work in progress or incomplete unit at the end of the period. Cost of production. How cost of production is calculated? When the office and administrative cost at the end of the period are added to the factory cost, we arrived at the cost of production or cost of goods sold. Here we make an adjustment for opening and closing finished goods. Then we calculate the total cost. Total cost or alternatively cost of sales is the cost of production plus selling and distribution overheads. So, now we learnt about the cost sheet and reveals following facts. Total cost and the cost per unit for a product. The various elements of cost such as prime cost, factory cost, production cost, cost of goods sold, total cost, etc. Percentage of every expenditure to the total cost. Compare the cost of any two periods and ascertain the inefficiencies, if any. Information to management for cost control. I hope you understand the topic. Thank you very much.